ain't no sign. We be staying up all night, trying to work it.
Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm doing a little get ready with me. I am trying new products, well, new to me, and yeah, I basically created this more natural glam glowy. I used only a little bit of setting spray, but I am living for this glow. This is more natural, but I love the tones. Like, you guys are gonna see what my favorite products are in the video to your face. So you guys are gonna see my favorite products. This is my new filming space, which is just my bedroom. You can see toys everywhere. But anyway, I hope you guys liked it. Alright, so we're gonna start off first with the eyebrows. As always, I'm gonna use my Benefit Cosmetics because that is my go-to brows. I am going to go actually in with the cut brow today. This is basically what it is. It's a little dip brow type of thing. This is the product. This, I use it as a brush, so just flip it over and you got your brush, and I'm just gonna dip it in there. So let's get our brows going. One brow down, one more to go. So I am just gonna brush it up with that same spoolie. Just want a very natural brow. And I am gonna set it with my same 24-hour brow setter by Benefit as well. I am going to underline it with the high brow. Alright, so we are done with the brows. I'm actually going to try out some new products today for the eyes. This is the Influencer Jane Arundel. So this is the eyeshadow palette. Also, it comes with a eyeshadow primer. It is called the Smooth Affair for Eyes eyeshadow primer. And this is what it looks like. Kind of reminds me of the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. This product is free from Influencer. It's an app where you can review products and see reviews on products that you're planning to buy maybe. And yeah, sometimes they send you products depending on how much you do review products online. Sometimes they send you free products, and since then I was hooked. So right now I am gonna go in with this Juno sponge, which is another product that I am trying. I have two. I'm just gonna go in and buff that out a little bit. So I am gonna go in with brushes that I already know. I'm gonna go in with the Sigma E40, and I am gonna go in with, there's not really much options. I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna try to use all the shades just to kind of see how it looks. So I'm gonna go into eggplant now. I think that's what it is. Buttercream. No. Yeah, eggplant. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with eggplant. And I'm gonna place that again in the outer corner. Alright, so we are continuing with the eyeshadow. I finished off one eye to how I want it already, which is just a very simple kind of smoked out brown, as you can see. So I'm actually going to take a dose of colors blending brush and go into this brown shade, which is Fudge, and just pack that on the outer corner. Now go back in with my Sigma brush and just blend. I have finished the eyes. Final thoughts on these. I really like the primer, and I really like this. This is something I would actually carry to work and carry it in my bag every day if I just want to throw on some brown shadow and call it a day. I will be using my favorite Marc Jacobs Earthquake eyeliner. So for this look, what I actually would do is I would grab the corner of my eye, line the other V. Then I would take a smaller brush. It can be a pencil brush. I'm gonna take this Sigma E30. I'm just gonna go ahead and smudge that out. And I am going to go in with, we're all about the browns today, this ColourPop mascara. It's in the color Brownie Points, which is actually a brown mascara. So let's try this out. The wand reminds me a lot of the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I moisturize my face. I do use the e.l.f. Illuminating Moisturizer, and I am actually going to try out something new today. So I am going to actually apply this under, which is the Charlotte Tilbury. It is the Flawless Filter. So it's my first time trying it, so let's see how I like it. So in some areas, I am going to go in with the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. This again does compare to the Tatcha Silk Canvas. So I'm just going to apply that on the sides of my nose and right around this area. So I am going to go in with the Juvia's Place Foundation. This is in Cairo 600. This is a full coverage foundation. I placed a lot. I'm going to go in with the same sponge. So let's see how I like it. So I was going to go in with concealer, but I don't even need it anymore. So sponge, you guys. I am so glad I got the pack of 4 for like $24 on Amazon, because this sponge is the shiznit. This sponge will give you your money's worth of foundation. Like, I know this foundation's only $20, but holy shit, this is full coverage. So I'm actually gonna try out this Jeffree Estrella concealer. So I'm just gonna apply that. So now I'm gonna blend that out with this flat part of the sponge. But holy shit, guys, that concealer brightened me up. So as always, I am gonna set under the eyes. I'm gonna try out for the second time this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter in Butter. I'm gonna smoke out that lower lash line. I'm gonna go into the shade Eggplant and Fudge. We're looking smoky. So now I'm gonna take this Marc Jacobs highlighter in Earthquake and highlight. Alright, so we're gonna go in now to the ColourPop Brownie Points. So now I'm gonna go in with a product that I have not used in a while. This is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel. I've only honestly used this like maybe once. So I'm just gonna swirl my Luxie brush in there. This is the Luxie small contouring brush, and let's contour her up. So I am actually going to go to Infidelity by Makeup Geek. It's a contour shade. I feel like I need a little bit of something. So Melt Cosmetics. This is their new Genesis Highlight, but I am going to use it as a blush because, dude, this is vibes. Look at this color. all the summer glow vibes. So I'm just gonna like stipple my stippling brush into it and just put that on.
Here I go. And here I go.
I'm gonna go in with the Galactic Skin Glow Duo in Moonlight. I am going to go in with another stippling brush. This is the MAC 188. I'm gonna go in to this shade right here, and then ooh, yes. So because I do want to be extra glowy today, I am going to actually try out a new mist. This is the Watermelon Glow from Glow Recipe. So let's try this out. Is it making me glow? So now we are going to line our lips. We are going to use, again, ColourPop as always. We're going to go into the Curvy Liner by ColourPop. This is the one with Karen. I love Sarai. So let's try it out. This again is new. I'm trying this out as well. Oh my god, I love this. I don't even want to put anything on top. I am living for this liner, guys. Oh my god. Why did I had this sitting there for months, like literally months. I don't know why I have not tried this. So, oh my god. So for the sake of the video, I am actually going to place something on top because I wanted to try this out, which I also had sitting there. This is the Fenty Beauty Spanked Mademoiselle lipstick. I am dying for this combo, guys. Oh my god. Yes, I am living. So that wraps it up. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you would like to see more from me. And I'll see you on my next one.
It ain't working, we not gonna do it. But you got it, man.